Hello dear sir, this is our automatic metal zipper slider mounting machine. This is our standard configuration. Okay, this is machine for number 4. Now I will introduce the operation process for you. This zipper is coming inside from this way. Okay. And this is the wire version of slider. The output of this machine is 3,500 pieces of 1 hour. Okay, let's check the effect after mounting the slider. Dear sir, if you have any question about this machine, please just feel free to contact with us. Thank you.